Concept Attainment Model in English Teaching. The concept attainment model developed by Jerome Bruner is an important teaching strategy based on inquiry and discovery learning. In this model, students learn concepts by comparing positive and negative examples provided by the teacher. Instead of directly giving definitions, the teacher guides learners to identify the common attributes of a concept through observation, comparison, and reasoning. This method promotes active participation and meaningful learning. According to Bruner, every concept has certain elements such as name, examples, attributes, attribute values, and rules. The thinking process involved in learning concepts includes concept formation and concept attainment. Concept formation refers to organizing information into categories, while concept attainment means identifying the essential characteristics of a concept already formed by the teacher. The concept attainment model follows systematic steps. First, the teacher selects and defines a concept. Then the teacher identifies the attributes and prepares positive and negative examples. These examples are presented to students, who compare and analyze them to identify similarities and differences. After discussion, students formulate the concept definition and test it with additional examples. Finally, the teacher evaluates students' understanding. The model has several dimensions. Syntax refers to the sequence of teaching activities. Social system explains the role of teacher and students during instruction. Principles of reaction guide the teacher's responses to learners. Support system includes instructional materials and technological facilities required for effective implementation. Instructional effects are the direct learning outcomes, while nurturant effects are indirect outcomes such as curiosity, confidence, and reasoning ability.